Hi guys, welcome to Rapper 2.0. So today I'm going to be showing how to make nunchucks. So first we're going to make one. You'll be needing three papers and tape. So first step, take one of these A4, then roll it up. Like oh, oh, so like roll it up like this. Oh, actually, first thing to do, flip the paper and then take the tape. So then make the same size. So yeah, make it as long as the height and just stick it. Like, okay, stick it. That way it's easier. Okay, okay. Then flip it and start from the opposite end, not the end you put the tape. Make it a little good. So, depend on how much you want. Okay. Okay. Then you just roll it and tape it. Then just fold these edges. Now you're done with one. Then repeat that 2 times. Okay. So here's the hard part. Now the time for the chains. So the chains are a bit hard. So first fold the thing into half like this. Then use scissors or a scale or hand, whatever, to cut it. It depends on how thick you want your chains. More thickness means more more durability. Less thickness meaning not that much durability. So first fold again and then cut again. And then again. And now in this part, it's okay if it tears in the middle because either way we're gonna fold it. So now no more tearing, just fold it into this. Again, you can check if you want to fold it one more time or leave it like this. So then make circles like this. So like look, do like this and then mark the place you have to cut. Then with scissors cut it. Also be careful while cutting. Call an adult if you're to help. So you should be like this and you'll be opening. So get a tiny bit of tape like this enough. Then keep it in the end like this. Then fold, like put it as a circle and tape it. So now just duplicate it. Okay, so now we got three. So don't put link them right now. So since you have three, take the other piece of paper and fold it like before. And then yeah, so instead of doing a full circle, like do a circle how normally does. Then put tape but do not stick. Like here the tape, put it like this but don't stick. So take two uh, of the chains, put them together and then stick. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Now you have a chain. Okay. So then make another. Same thing here. This don't stick. Take it here. Put the other one and stick. Here now we got 5. So I recommend some like 6 would be enough. So here I'm just gonna click on. Okay. Just cut. And then okay. So you just do this. Okay. Then make two more of single chains. So I'll just do. Okay, so don't cut them, but make sure they're almost the same. So do put it, and instead of just see like this, and then in the inside put it. So like it's like this. Okay. And the other one like same. Okay. Now take one of the nunchucks and do like this and put it inside, and then just tape it to the inside. So then so as I was saying, it should stick, and then put the other one also. Okay, so it should be like this. If you want more support, put more tape. So now with that other one, stick it to the other one, the other rolled up paper, and just like that you got your nunchucks. So sometimes it will break. More support, as in more tape. Yes, I just stapled it. Sometimes, mostly it will fall, but it's okay. Okay, so let's just test. Yeah. So the thicker it is, the more durability, as I told. So goodbye. Subscribe for more.